Hello everyone, Big Game Out here, back again with another hotel review. This time we are in the IBIS, you can just about read it out there, in Cardiff on the M4 services. So yeah, I thought I'd just, there's the services behind us. Thought I'd do a little tour of this place and give you my review again and tell you how much this was per night at the end. So yeah, we've already checked it, we've been here a night already, so let's go inside the hotel. So here we are, permit holders only in the parking. We've already put our parking down for 2 nights. They do have electric car parking bays here, but I can't see an electric car here. Right, so this is the main entrance. I'm guessing where people get taxis, they get dropped off. But there you go, IBIS Hotel, Cardiff Gate.
Still inside there, yeah?
Yep, here we are inside the little bar area. Tiny bar and reception desk. Got a little area here with all little leaflets in it. And here we are, lift up to our room on the first floor. So here is a little menu for the food. Yeah. And it is a non-smoking area. You'll get a fine. Oh, that was a bit bumpy. And here we are, down the hallway with smelly Kaz.
Big Trump Alan, blowing his birth in my face.
And here we are, room 117 on the first floor. We've got our key. Let's go in and check out the room. Alright, so here we are inside the room. A little bit of safety information about evacuation in English, French and German. Right, so you obviously got your little lock, which we'll put on if you want to just enjoy a little bit of sleep in the morning. Right, so you've got your main light switch and your little socket thing where you have to put your card in, otherwise you lose power. Right, that is the bathroom, we'll get to that shortly. So first when you come into the room, you've got this little hanging area with some hangers built in. Oh, this one's a normal hanger. Has got them other ones. We'll sort it out later, we've dropped it. Has got the other ones what you've got to like hook up. They have no hook on them sort of thing, them ones. Got a couple of them in there. Didn't realise I had normal ones as well, but we will sort it out in a bit. Somewhere just to put your shoes and whatever, cases. You've got your little suitcase bit here with the grips on them, so they don't fall off. Just chuck mine there, there's another bit underneath. Right, so as you walk in, you've got your TV. Nice little TV, not very big. You have got some drawers. Nothing in the top 2. In the bottom one there was one spare pillow, which I'm using. And then Kaz has got her suitcase here instead of putting it into the place where suitcases are meant to go.
Oh, well.
Right, then you have a big full-length mirror. Hello, Kaz.
Hello.
So a big full-length mirror all the way to the ground. Got your hairdryer, which you can turn on and use it. Not that I need it. You got a little dressing area with a nice little picture above it. Got a little lamp. It's quite dark in these rooms. So no drawers in this one, just a solid bit. There's a bin down there, there's a chair. Has got some sockets built into it, which is quite weird because the back's loose. So it was like, felt weird. I'm not going to break it, but it was just awkward turning it on, weren't it?
Yeah. You've
got your kettle, got your teacup, teas, coffees. Might have a coffee in a minute. Got some beers there for later I'm going to have. Kaz has got a Belgian bun, I've already eaten mine. Just another bit here about smoking in the rooms and the fines you're going to get. They must have a big problem with smoking here. You've got this massive great window. Curtains all the way to the ground. Not a very good view here. But it is one of them ones that just opens a little bit. So you can't jump out or fall out of it. And yeah, the M4 motorway is literally there. Right, you've got a light on the wall there, leading over to a radiator, which is quite warm actually, because we put that on last night. Got one plug socket there, none next to the bed, that's like the closest one to the bed. Then you've got little cabinets next to the bed there, all built in one I suppose. Light switches to control the main lights, and we've just turned these little lights on, although that is terrible. Let me turn that off. Yeah, that's much better. So you've got like these little reading lights that you can bend over and read while your partner sleeps. 2 of them, one there and one there. Another little picture. And quite a decent sized bed really, but it's a little bit bigger than a double. Give it a little test, Kaz. She likes doing the bed test. Hold on, she's got to get ready for bed. Look at her. I mean, she's already slept in it last night, so she could tell you what it was like, but she's going to give a little test.
It's quite a big bed, it's quite spacious, it's a bit bigger than a double.
Yeah.
It's quite soft.
Harry's the night's sleep there.
Yeah, that's alright.
She's going to go to sleep.
You're asking me a question about sleep, because I don't sleep very well.
Yeah, she's going to sleep now, look at her. Night, Kaz. Night, Kaz. Right, so yeah. And like I said, you just got the little bedside table on that side as well, but there's no sockets. And then, now, into the bathroom, which is quite surprisingly big. So here we go. So yeah, you're greeted by these lovely white tiles. You've got a toilet, the bin, double holder, toilet roll holder. You've got your towels hanging up here. Massive mirror, a 4-one, whole corner one. Hello there. Look, can I get in all of them? Oh, quite spooky me in all of them. So yeah, you got your little corner bit there, little unit. Your saving plugs, and yeah, just a twin tap couple of glasses, and then you got in the bathroom a little shower. I say little, it's quite big. And you get in here. You do get a body wash and shampoo, which is quite good. And yeah, quite a nice little shower this. Wasn't too bad. So yeah, that is the bathroom. You also get your hand wash there as well. So yeah. Right, we'll do a little review on it, maybe in the morning. And then we'll tell you how much we paid for the room. But yeah, it's quite a decent size. More than enough for what you need. Right, so that is our 2 nights here in the IBIS in Cardiff. Quite an enjoyable experience, but we're going to pass it over to high standards Kaz, aka Snobby Kaz.
Oh, I'm not snobby. I just have high standards. There is a difference. The IBIS Hotel, what can I say? It's okay. It's not terrible, but it's not perfect either. I'm going to be honest. It is slightly broken, like this unit that we can't see it at the moment, but I think Alan showed you earlier in the video. It's a bit
wobbly, look, wobbly.
It's not attached to the wall properly, and it's a bit old-fashioned and dated, and it looks like it's gonna maybe collapse. It's a bit dipped, I've noticed as well. It's got like a bit of a bend in it. Yeah, it's okay though. It could do with a lick of paint as well in some places.
That ain't the worst thing I found.
What was the worst thing you found?
Something you haven't noticed, and I didn't pick it up on the video. I noticed it last night.
What, in this room?
Yeah.
Or in the hotel in general?
Look at that leg on the bed down there.
What about it? Oh, it's a bit scratched.
Bit scratched?
It
it's
looks
like
that.
that.
Bits. Is it bent? You can't really see it's bent, but okay.
Yeah, it's bent. From my angle, I can tell you it's bent.
Okay. Surprised the bed didn't collapse on us then.
It's only on your side, so I would have been
alright. Oh dear. So there's a few little minor things wrong with it, but it's not perfect, but it's okay. It will do as a budget hotel for 1 or 2 nights.
What did you think of the bed?
Yeah, the bed was alright actually. It was quite firm, not too soft, not too firm, just sort of medium firmness really.
There you go.
Had an okay-ish night's sleep, but you know, I'm not the one to ask when it comes to sleeping. As you know, I don't sleep very well. But what did you think of the bed?
What do you think of the decor?
Did you think the bed was comfortable?
Oh, I enjoyed it. I had like 12 hours sleep on one night. So.
Yeah, you were snoring your head off, so I think
good.
You did sleep quite well. What do I think of the decor? It's a little bit old-fashioned.
The paintings?
Yeah, it's a little bit old-fashioned, but it's okay.
Worst hotel you stayed in?
It's not the worst hotel I stayed in. No.
Best hotel you stayed in?
No.
Where would you rate it?
I'll probably rate it maybe 5 or 6 out of 10.
So it's like in the...
That's being generous, 6 out of 10.
Just over average then, just above
over
average.
average. 5 or 6 out of 10 I'd give it.
Oh, I thought it was alright.
It's alright, yeah, for 1 or 2 nights, but it's not perfect.
So yeah, the bathroom was nice, which made a change. Furniture's old fashioned, as you know, these sort of things. Just needs a new lick of paint, a new furniture put in. The bed needs obviously replacing because the legs are all bent, it's been there a while. Other than that, it's a decent sized room. They've got wasted space here, could have done with like a sofa or something just to sit on. TV's really small for the room size.
Yeah, the TV was a bit small. It doesn't go up very loud either.
Yeah, don't go up very loud, and half the channels don't work on it.
Yeah, it's
coming up no signal.
didn't it?
Yeah, so that just needs updating a bit. But yeah, it's, location's probably all right. There's not much here. There's no pubs or anything. But if you want some food, they've got the services across the road. It's got KFC, Burger King, Starbucks, Waitrose.
Smiths.
Yeah, it's got a few bits in there. We got some bits and just brought it back to the room. Had a little takeaway one night.
Yeah.
Well, not like takeaway sandwiches and stuff like that from Waitrose. So it's quite nice. But yeah, other than that, the lights are temperamental. It's very dark in this room. The lights don't really light up very much. You've got one on the wall there and one up there on the ceiling. That's it.
Above the bed in the centre of the room, but they don't seem to have one.
It's very, very, very dark in here, considering it's like near enough daylight now. We've got the window open. So yeah. But yeah, overall, we was here for a Saturday and a Sunday night, so we're here for like the weekend.
Yeah.
And it cost £100, so £50 a night. You can't really go wrong for that.
You can't really complain at that, can you?
I mean, you are a bit out of the way if you wanted to go to Cardiff for a night out. It's probably going to cost you about 15 quid in a taxi to get there, and 15 quid back. So might consider paying a little bit extra and staying in the centre.
Yeah, you
but then
get paid for, don't you?
But then you've got the free parking here, so
yeah,
that probably makes up for it.
So it makes up for it in a way, yeah.
Yeah, you got free Wi-Fi.
Yeah, free Wi-Fi. That's
You
good.
got on it, didn't you? It's fine.
I did, yeah. No problems with that.
So yeah, other than that, I think it's all right.
Yeah, it's all right.
I'd probably give it a 7 out of 10, maybe a 7.5. I thought it was a bit up there. It's probably on the same sort of level as Premier Inn with like the hotel style. It just needs updated furniture.
Just needs a bit of updating, don't
it? And the bed's not as good as a Premier Inn bed, but yeah.
Yeah, Premier Inn is really.
If you want to save yourself a tenner from a Premier Inn, go for this. If you want a little bit more luxury, go for a Premier Inn.
Yeah.
But yeah, it's probably about the same level as a travel lodge.
Travel lodge, yeah. So I was going to say it's similar to a travel lodge.
So yeah, there you go. So yeah, we're going to check out of here now and go and continue our little journey of Wales.
Cool.
Right, so yeah, thank you all for watching. Let us know if you've ever stayed in an IBIS before, if you've stayed in this one, the Cardiff Gate. Or if you're thinking about doing it in the future and this video has helped you. Please let us know down below.
Okay, thanks for watching, everyone.
Yeah, that is just to say thank you for watching. And as always, we will catch you in the next hotel review.
Bye for now.
Bye for now.